Another school that Della. Not the
so sang ma de to ma ga go den pipi ina be ina ga ari beton go de ma ba kun ya simple gar de pi hana ai
si atya na nang Bamba. Tumat
player.
Mahal nampak itu.
Benar madre. Lachma.
Bo, napaka blik.
Asa ambil pulang ke Dala, ya nong lemah. Dulu kemana?
Okay, sana.
Kali jangan apa aku.
e ba lo ka ma o So the aluminium fabricator has make the two windows for the two-bedroom apartments. So as he came, there was a small mistake on the other window, the window to the second apartment. So I think we couldn't fix it, and that's why I have to wait till tomorrow for my mason to come to fix the problem again, so that they will be able to come on Saturday to fix it. So everything has finished very nicely, and you can see this window was actually 2 feet. So 2 feet was just about this size. It was just about this side of the window. From here down to this place was 2 feet. So I told the mason that the space is very small, so of course, you know, sometimes we need natural air even when we are in our rooms. So I gave him an idea of expanding it by adding 1 feet to it. So he added this 1 feet, which is about 12 inches, and then now this is how everything looks. So you see how I plan my things. It's good to, you know, when you know more about measurements, it is easier for you to take care of certain things. So far, this is what we have done, and I'm expecting the mason to come tomorrow to fix the problem to the other window, which I'm going to show you. So this is actually the problem. There has been an expansion. The frame is much wider than the window, so the mason has to come tomorrow to break it up again to this side, so that he will be able to dress it up, fix it very well, and then they will come on Saturday and then fix it, and everything will be okay. All right, thanks for following.